Hi everyone. I'm really excited to share a very, very simple set of holds to boost the entire immune system, detoxify the body, and it could be used as a preventative for COVID. So here we go. It consists of just 3 simple steps. And the first step, if you're addressing the right side of the body, would be to place your right hand in your inner groin. And this is where the leg meets the rest of the body. And if you palpate that area, you will find a big pulse there. The femoral artery actually emerges right through that area, and it will definitely, there's a big pulse in that area. Now, this is the area of safety energy lock 15, which is great for moving lymph and overall circulation, and also helps with immunity. It helps the heart, and of course it also brings a lot of joy. It's like because it helps to move energy, and when energy is moving, blood is moving, one is happy, one is in their joy. So this point is here, and then with your left hand you're holding the arch of the right foot, and you're just grabbing the entire arch of the right foot. And this is the area of safety energy lock 6, which is maybe related to the kidneys in a way, and helps to detoxify the body. So that's step number 1. And you're going to just stay there, say for 3 to 4 minutes if you can. And you're going to wait for a pulse at both areas. And this is the common thing through all of Jin Shin Jitsu. You basically have to wait for a pulse. And sometimes the pulse can take very long if the body is not in harmony. It can take up to 20 minutes for the pulse to show up at both spots and be even. They have to be even. And by even or identical, I mean they need to be beating at the same exact time with the same exact strength. If it doesn't happen in 5 minutes, I urge you to move on. It will eventually happen when you keep doing it, as and when you do it. So this is the first step. The second step, the left hand moves to the back of the body. It's the top of the shoulder, but it's a little bit below. And where exactly it is, it's really the top edge and the edge closer to the spine of the shoulder blade. It's on the shoulder blade. And it's the bony prominence of the shoulder blade. So the shoulder blade is a triangular bone. So there's one edge here and there's one edge over here. And there's a tip at the very base. So you're going to the top edge closer to the spine. So it's really at the shoulder, but then you just move your hand maybe 2 inches back and you'll find it. It's a bony prominence. So that is safety energy lock 3, which is the respiratory specialist, and it releases the body's natural antibiotic. It's good for any immune related issue. It could be a cough, could be a cold, could be fever, could be anything. And it's amazing for any of that. So this is the second step. Again, wait for a pulse. And the third step, you're going to take your hand off from the groin, your right hand. You're going to find your right end of the rib cage where the ribs end. Follow that all the way to the back. And the area is not on the spine, but it's to the side of the spine. It's the small of your back. And this is safety energy lock 23, which is the area of the kidneys. The kidneys are housed in this area, and therefore it's amazing again for detox. So once you're done with this, you can stay here for another 3 to 4 minutes, and then you can do the left side. So the same thing, left hand on left groin, right hand on the left area of the arch, safety energy lock 6, then go to the back, safety energy lock 3, and the left hand moves then to safety energy lock 23, which is in the kidney area. So that's that, and try it, and it could be done every day if you'd like. If you want to just give your whole system a boost, you can certainly try it. Thank you.